Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our company specializes in producing eco-friendly household products such as detergent and cleaning tools. Last year, we annual turnover reached 5 million USD with net profit of 1.2 million. Our target customers are middle-income families and young professionals. At present, our major market is Southeast Asia, where we hold about one-fifth of the market share. Our, our strength are high product quality and a strong distribution network, while our weakness is limited capital for extension. We believe with your investment, we can double our market share in 3 years. Thank you, teacher, for listening.